So let us start online team. Okay, let me create running notes for today. Concatenating multiple CSV file. Zero 4 February. This we are going to close in another few minutes actually. And upcoming topic is called as the first one I can talk about the Jupyter. What is the first one, sir? Jupyter. The next one is a project discussion. Project discussion. Get ready to understand, sir. Get ready, ready. Data analysis project. Float function. The next one is a list function. The next one is tuple function. Next one is set function. Next one, dictionary function. Integer also. To convert to float, convert from sequence to list, convert from sequence to tuple, convert from sequence to set, convert from list of tuples, so list of tuples to dictionary, list of tuples to dictionary. Come again. A round method actually. Good. Function also would have. It's okay. During project also I will explain one more time. Okay. Good. Maybe this is the example I have explained yesterday. Let us just have to keep these things actually. Yeah. Back to the session. Listen carefully. I will give a small recap what I have covered yesterday so that I can continue today's session actually. Team, tomorrow, yesterday, what is the requirement will be? The requirement is, imagine having 2024 1 year data. When I say 1 year data, it should be monthly data, first month, second month, third month, till to the last months actually. On an average, would have a 12 files, man. How many files? 12 files actually. So think like one more point. When I say India data, they can store within the states actually. Andhra data, Telangana, Karnataka, these are all things actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Like this would have a different data actually. Within the state again, they can store January. Am I right or not, sir? Like that they will store actually. Think like that. What I wanted to tell is, when I say data, it is not a single file. It is a multiple files. It is a multiple files. What we need to do is, imagine once the client have given, it is asking, hey, I wanted to know 2024, what is the total business actually? Imagine, Amazon is asking, Amazon I have given India folder. Then it is asking, I wanted to know total India, how many sales actually. When you open India folder, inside of that one, total states data, first state data, second state, third state, fourth state, these are all things actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then what we need to do, you have to load all the files. And imagine on an average would have a 2024, 12 CSV files would have. How many? Now being a data scientist, first point will be, you should know how to load that folder. Once after you loaded the folder, and you should know how to load all files actually, all file names. What is required? Just the name of the files we are loading actually. If you know the name of the file, the beauty will be, next step we can create a data frame. The next step we can create what exactly? Yeah, good. So luckily would have a one predefined function. That predefined function name is what exactly, sir? There is a one module name is a OS. Module name is a, yeah, by using that we need to call a one function name is a list dir. Then here we need to specify folder. Meeru practice chesara idi? Are you done practice actually? Make a note on this one, important. Yesterday I have uploaded Daniel folder, but the folder name here I am giving Prasad actually. What is the folder name, sir? You can rename. Intentionally I have given so that you can get a clear picture actually. Okay. Now this one is a function. Whenever you are calling this function, it takes the path actually, then you can get all name of the files. You can get what exactly mean? All name of the files. Daniel, I wanted to print all file names one by one. Then you need to apply a for loop actually, right? Now hope you understand. These are all name of the files. You got a clarity, I guess actually. Now let us execute this example. Let's move on. First of all, get all the files actually. Chappan sir. We can concatenate. Hold on, I will. Just we need to provide the path, sir. Then go for the data frame introduction. Yeah, that's okay. Imagine data frame number 1 from first folder we need to load actually. Data frame number 2 from second folder we need to load. We can concatenate. That is possible. Go to the data frame. What our friend is asking, hey Daniel, think like the data is available in 2 folders. The data is available in folder number 1, folder number 2. Go to the data frame introduction. We covered how to load a file from current directory, how to load a file from folder also, how to load a file from what exactly? Yeah, by using that we can do that. Okay. Take all these files. Let me create a folder. The folder name is a Prasad. Let us copy here. Then we need to execute this example. Children, sir. Import pandas as PD. Not pandas as PD. Okay. Import OS. Good. Now P equals to, within the double quotes, current to directory, dot we need to provide. The next one will be backward slash name of the file. And here kind of some all underscore files equals to, chaptara sir, os dot list to dir. Talk with me. Os dot list to dir. Here name of the path we need to pass. And here it should be all underscore what exactly, files. Now let us run this example, sir. Good. We are good to go. Save this example as a demo.py. And this one should be all files, and save this one, run this one. We are getting all name of the files. Then Daniel, I wanted to filter. To filter that one, yesterday I have applied lambda function actually. Me gurtunda sir. I have applied lambda. Within the lambda I am calling a method. Method name is a ends with actually. What is that? Ends with. Come on, let's take this one. We are filtering, these are all files. If you want, you can write like this. This is still okay. Filter function takes 2 parameters. Parameter number 1, lambda function. Parameter number 2, sequence object we need to pass. What we need to pass? Sequence object. Then we are printing all files. Then here we have filtered actually. Now I have a question for you. In result, we will get only what exactly, sir? CSV file. What file? CSV file. Take this one. Very good. We got a CSV file actually. We got what exactly meant? CSV file. We are good to go. Now let me tell you. If you are trying to loading file, listen carefully. This is quite interesting. If you are trying to loading file by using list to dir, by using, then it will give only name of the file. It will give only, but it is not giving folder name. It is not giving folder. Meek ardhamayinda sir, right? So this is the one way we can load the file. Load what exactly file by using first module is a OS module. What is the first module? The second one in real time we are using nowadays, it became very popular actually. Globe module, sir. What module actually? Globe module. Let me repeat one more time. We can load a CSV files or else we can load any folder by using OS folder. I'm sorry, OS module. There is a predefined module. Module name is a OS actually. By using another module also, that module name is called as a globe module. Talk with me. Chapal andaru. Globe module actually. We can do that, right? Now let us just have to take this one. How to load by using, how to use by using globe module, I will tell you. Globe module actually. Let me talk with you. I will explain step by step. You will get an idea. We done. These are all things we done actually. We covered. These are all things I have covered. Make a note on this one. Now concatenating. It's a right time. We need to be understand actually. Now here I'm using globe module. What module? All right. Once we loaded all CSV files, then we need to concatenate all CSV file. Based on requirement, we can use by using pandas. We can concatenate all CSV file in what exactly mean? One CSV file. We can create a single data frame. We can export actually. We can export. Good. We are importing the required modules. What are the modules? OS, globe, pandas. One more time. OS, globe, pandas. Good. We are using both OS and globe actually. Here you just need to specify name of the folder. Here you need to specify what exactly? Name of the folder. Name of the folder. Let me execute this one by one. First of all, let us import the required modules. Okay, we are importing the required modules. Import OS, import globe, import pandas as a PD. Then after this one, let us just try to create a path actually. P equals to something like. But do you think this is Daniel? Chapani? Prasad. Very good. Prasad. Indirectly, dot indicates to any idea? Current folder. What folder? Current folder. Current directory. In current directory, where this program is available, in current directory, there is a folder. Folder name is a Prasad. Good. The next point will be, this is quite interesting. Look at my screen. Inside OS, there is a one submodule that is called as a path actually. By using that one, we need to call join. Then, you have to provide here P. This one is the name of the folder. And, here you need to specify star CSV. What we need to specify? Star indicates to what exactly, sir? All CSV file. What file? Here there is a one great added advantage actually. If you are using this one, no lambda, no filter actually. This function takes care automatically. Can I get a response from you? Let me just try to, we are preparing the path. This you need to practice. I will show you. Let me print actually. Oh, sir, print chestan chudandi. First let me print P. Okay. Then let me print files. We have prepared the path actually. We have prepared the path. If you are getting warning like this, what we need to do, you can just try to come here, provide what exactly did it all? Small r. Yeah, good. Yeah, sir. First one is a folder. The next one is a folder with file name. This is really good practice. It's not only file name, you have to read folder name also. We have to read what exactly? That is a good practice actually. By default, globe function it is doing. By default, who is doing actually? Globe function. Now we are going to do actually, get ready to understand. Sir, here is the beauty. Here is the beauty. Right. Globe is a predefined module. Inside that module, there is a function name also globe actually. It is a very rare case, module name, function name, they have given same. One more time, module name, function name. One more time, module name, function name. Both are similar, they have given actually. It is okay, accepted. But very rare scenario. You need to call globe of, here you need to provide all files actually, theme, all CSV file, it will create within the list. All CSV file, it will create within what exactly? List actually. It will create within the list. This is really beautiful example. You can just try to come here. Okay, now Daniel, all CSV file names you can print automatically actually. CSV underscore files. Now let me run this example. You know, all CSV file name. Very good, man. Previously, only file name. Now here, file name along with folder. File name along with, this is great added advantage, especially for the pandas. Especially for pandas, right? You know, current directory, Prasad, yeah, definitely, you know, double slash is required actually. Why? Because, you know, then only the Python will consider it is not like a backward slash in next line, backward slash appending. Those operations it can ignore actually. Prasad, April sales, Prasad, August sales, Prasad respectively, it is folder, it is loading, these are all things. Till now, are you clear? Good. Now I have a question. List of all file names would you have? What would you have? List of all file name. Then what we need to do, you know, take one by one file, then we need to create a data frame. Then we need to create. First of all, you know what? I wanted to print one by one file actually. How to print, any idea? For loop we need to apply. Chappan sir, file. Now you will get all files one by one. Shouldn't one by one. Good, interesting. We are ready. We are ready with all file names actually. We are ready with what exactly? All file names. Now here is the beauty. I wanted to tell you one thing. What is that one, you know? Anyway, we have a all file names actually. Now get ready. We are going to call kind of some concat function. What function actually? Did you remember concat function? Somewhere I covered actually. Concat function I covered actually. Good. Do you know concat function takes parameter? This parameter should be what exactly, you know, sir? List of data frame. Any idea? List of data frame. మీకు గుర్తుందా actual గా? Let me repeat one more time. Daniel, yesterday curry I didn't remember. What exactly? Yesterday curry I didn't remember. How I can remember concat actually? Please sir, revision record actually. We are going to call concat function. Concat function takes parameter as a list of data frames. List of what exactly? Now get ready, we need to create a list of data frame. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే list of data frames ని create చేసి రెడీగా పెట్టుకోవాలి. Are you with me or not, sir? To do that one, what we need to do, you know? What we need to do, you know? We can just try to come here. DFs. DF means data frames. Total 12 DFs actually equals to, sir, do one thing. P1 and P2. Any idea this is? This syntax is a? Any idea? ఈ syntax ఏమంటుందో తెలుసా? List comprehension, right? List comprehension always starts from P2, section 2. Yeah. What we can do is, for file in CSV underscore files, indirectly we are getting one by one file actually. Here, first time you are seeing this kind of code actually. PD dot read underscore CSV we can write. What we can write, sir? PD dot read underscore CSV. PD dot what exactly? Read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. Let me give explanation. Daniel, why you are writing like this actually? Why I am writing, you know? Ultimately, I need all list of data frames. Why? In the next step, I am going to call concat. Concat accept list of data frames. Concat accept what exactly? Then, by using list comprehension, I am loading one by one file. At the same time, I am creating a data frame. I am creating what exactly? మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? This step is very important actually. Very, very important. Okay. All right. In the next step, year underscore df equals to pd dot concat function you need to call. Here you need to specify dfs. You need to specify what exactly? dfs. We are good to go. Year underscore df. Chudandi. Let us call this actually concat. Wow. You know, the total 12 months data frames is ready. The total 12 months data frame is what exactly, sir? Ready. Can I get a response from you? Here, what is a major step? You know, this one is a major step, sir. This is the major step actually. Many students are asking, hey, Daniel, why you created a, list comprehension syntax? Because my requirement will be, that's what I told. Concat function takes list of data frames. Concat function takes what exactly? Then prepare list of data frames data. How we can do that actually? By using list comprehension. By using what comprehension? List comprehension actually. This list is such a capable, it can store almost data frame number 1, data frame number 2, data frame number 3, 12 data frames it can store actually. How many data frames, man? It will store actually. Do practice, you will get an idea. But one small point. Whenever you are calling concat, I hope you already know the index is not a, I mean to say 0 to 8, 0 to 8, 0 to 8, 0 to 8. These are all things we'll get actually. Sir, am I right? Then what we need to do? You can just have to come here. You need to apply ignore underscore index equals to true. Ignore underscore index equals to what exactly? True actually. I will talk with you. In some time I will talk with you. Any idea what exactly I'm applying here? List comprehension. But in the code what I applied, tuple comprehension I have applied. What I have applied? Tuple comprehension. Yeah, tuple comprehension is possible. If you are writing tuple comprehension, it is giving the result as a generator. What is the topic? It can store the huge data set in a very optimization way. Very optimization way. That's what we are using tuple comprehension. What is a generator? I can talk later. But let me just try to run this example. Students are very good, man. Previously index is not formatted. Now index is formatted actually. 0 to what exactly, man? 107. Wow. I hope you got a clarity, I guess actually. Meeku ardhamainda, sir? Can I get a response from you? Let's take this example. Simple. That's it. If you want, let me explain the piece of code one more time. Many people are having a doubt. Daniel, print the DFS. Can I print actually? Sir, that's what. When I was explaining about the concat, I told 2 to 3 times, prepare the concat very well actually. Why? Because that day, if you really understand concat, today concatenation is very easy. That day, if you are not done practice, if you ignored actually, today you may feel new topic actually. You may feel what exactly? New topic. That is okay. చూడండి ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే as of now we have all CSV files. All what exactly? CSV file. If you are having a CSV file, I need to create with all CSV files data frames. Even creating one by one data frame, adding into the list, not a good practice. Create one data frame, add into the list. Create another data frame, add into the list. Create third data frame, add into the list. Takes a lot of time. Think like million data frames. How many? It takes a lot of time actually. Instead of that, I need a list, all data frames. Go to the list comprehension. Go to, in a list comprehension, part number 1, part number 2. In a part number 2 for file in CSV file, we are capturing one by one file actually. The moment whenever you are capturing, here I hope you already know variable or expression. What exactly? Variable or expression. The moment whenever you are getting the file, with the same file what we can do, you can create a data frame automatically. This code you can understand. pd dot read underscore CSV file. Now what happened, all the 12 data frames it will be create and it can store within the list actual. It can store what exactly, man? Within the list. Can I ask a question? Why list required here? ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్ ఎందుకు మనకి చెప్పండి. Exactly. Concat function accept list actually. That's what. If you catch that point actually, we are good to go. మీకు ఆ పాయింట్ అర్థమైతే we are good to go, I guess. చూడండి. Wow. See, started list. List is such a capable, sir. From here to here, it is stored data frame number 1. Very good. From here to here, data frame number 1. Here to here, data frame number 2. And the next one will be here to here, data frame number 3. Like this, these are all 12 data frames actually. List is such a powerful, sir. List చూడండి. List లో data frames అన్ని స్టోర్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాయి actually. Concatenate కావాల్సింది ఇదే. Once you prepare the list of data frame, give this list to the concat function. Then concat function will do the concatenation. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Then do one thing. The next step will be చెప్తారు ఎక్కడ ఎవరైనా the total year underscore df. What exactly mean? Year. Now ready. pd dot concat, and here what we need to pass? dfs. But the moment whenever you're calling this, what happened, the index is not formatted actually. Then to format that one, we need to apply one keyword argument topic that is called as a ignore underscore index equals to true. Yeah. Ready. We are ready actually. Good. 1 year data frame is ready actually. Hey Daniel, here the data frame is in your console, in your command prompt actually. That 1 year data set I wanted to download in my local machine. Am I right or not, sir? Imagine later onwards, today the client has given the task actually. Client told, what is the total business? What I need to do? Take this column and you need to apply some method. You need to apply some method. And today task I have finished actually. Tomorrow I came to office. Client is telling again, hey Daniel, yesterday you loaded 1 year data, right? Take the same data and filter on Mallikarjun records actually. What record, man? Imagine if you didn't downloaded this data frame in your local, again we need to do the same process actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then what we need to do? From this data frame, let us download CSV file into our local machine. Later we can use actually. Later what exactly mean? We can use. Meeku ardhamainda? How to download, we can just have to come here and there is a one predefined method. The method name is a 2 underscore CSV. Talk with me, sir. 2 underscore CSV. And here I can talk like, year underscore 2024 dot CSV file. Think like this. Check current directory. Let's run this. Chodandi. Look at my screen. Read this one. Check current folder for this file. Go to the current folder. Sir, nice diagram, like my face actually. Am I right? Exactly, man. See, we got a file actually. We got what exactly? File. Meeku ardhamainda, sir. Here onwards, if client is telling that load the 1 year data, what I need to do? Load this file. Meeku ardhamainda, sir. Yeah, you can just have to, Daniel, run one more time. Let me run one more time. And you can just have to come and look at my screen. The moment whenever you are running this program, it will create the data frame into your local actually. Good. If you guys are sleeping, sir, wake up, please actually. Let me run one more time for you. Bonus point I'm telling actually. Let me run. File created. Meeku ardhamainda, sir? Very good. If you understand, can I tell one good news actually? We done these are all, later onwards. Any idea what is this one actually? Idi enduku telusa? Because that year data having, there is a column, that column having the date value. What value? Yeah, then you have to load that with a parse underscore dates actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then you can apply date related operations also. What you can apply? Date related operations also. Meeku ardhamainda? Then don't ask what is date and time actually. We spend almost 1.5 days to explain about that topic. Am I right or not, sir? We are good to go. All right. You know, we done we done pandas, man. We are entering into the data analysis. But before entering into the data analysis, I will explain Jupyter explanation. What explanation, man? Jupyter. Data analysis project I'm going to help you. Data analysis project I'm going to help you. I will tell you. Team, are you ready? All right. Parse underscore dates tells pandas not to parse date and time column as object rather than date and time object. Siddiq sir, you're right. You're right. Thank you for your kind info actually. Sir, I'm asking one more time. Are you ready? Good. Now, let me tell you one new topic. The topic name is called as a Jupyter. What is the topic name? This we need to call like a Jupyter, but not Jupyter actual. What exactly mean? Jupyter. It is a Jupyter. Did you cover this one? Did you cover this? Oh, good. Let me continue. See, till now we are writing programs. We are what exactly? Writing programs. Writing and running the programs. Writing and what exactly? Running the programs. Running the programs. Different approaches would you have? First approach, what I'm using, notepad and command prompt I'm using. This is the one of the approach. Trust me, best approach. Second approach also would you have? What is the second approach? Jupyter. Chappan sir. By using Jupyter also we can do. Third approach also would you have? That is called as a Google Colab. What is the third one, sir? Google Colab. Sir, it's Google Colab, but not Google Classroom. Google Classroom actually. It is not Google Classroom. Fourth one is a PyCharm. Fifth one is a Anaconda. What is the fifth one? Anaconda actually. Anaconda. These are all we do have. But let me tell you, today I'm planning to explaining about Jupyter actually. I'm planning to explain about what exactly mean Jupyter. Good. I will do one thing regarding the Jupyter. So simple man. First point. First of all, Jupyter is a data science environment. It is an environment. It is environment to write and run data science program. To write and what exactly? Data science program. Come on, chadu nandru. Jupyter is an environment. Jupyter is, by using this environment, what we can do, you can write a program, you can run a program. You can write a program and you can run what exactly program. Good. Next one. Jupyter is web-based application. What application? One more time. One more time. Web-based application actually. I will show you. Then what we need to do, first we need to install. Then next you need to learn how to write. We need to learn how to use Jupyter. First step మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే you have to be installed. After you install, the second step is you need to learn how to use. It's a very simple, straight to the point actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Madam, are you getting? Good. I will do one thing. First, I will uninstall Jupyter. First, I will uninstall what exactly Jupyter. Why? Because in my laptop, Jupyter is already installed actually. You may ask a question, why? For previous batches. For what exactly, man? Previous batches. Let us uninstall. So install Jupyter. Pip uninstall Jupyter. pip uninstall Jupyter. Uninstallation is done. Now get ready. Hey Daniel, I wanted to install. How to install, you know? Open a command prompt. Just how to install Pandas, talk with me. Pip install. Same thing like that. Here Jupyter you need to install. Pip install Jupyter. This is we're installing locally. We're installing Jupyter in local. Open any folder or else any command prompt and let me run actually. Good. It is keep on running. Requirement is required. Requirement is already satisfied. You know, for your kind information, Jupyter installation in your laptop, it takes minimum 3 to 4 minutes actually. Minimum how long time? First time you already done installation. That's what it is checking. Either it is installed or not actually. I'm getting always, requirement is already satisfied actually. For you guys, it may take 3 to 4 minutes, man. 3 to 4 minutes. Daniel installation is done. Then how to work, how to use Jupyter, how to use what exactly? Jupyter. So it's a very simple. To use the Jupyter, first to point number one, open Jupyter. Open what exactly mean? Open Jupyter. Jupyter. By using command, I will tell you what is that command. By using command, so the next one will be start work actually. Start what exactly mean? Work. I need one response from you. Till now, are you clear? Good. I mean to say, Daniel, after Pandas, why you are explaining Jupyter? Why? Because the project I'm going to explain in a Jupyter. The project I'm going to execute in where exactly? Then you should know about the Jupyter. You should know about what exactly mean? Jupyter. Get ready. Create this one. I mean, delete everything actually. You can just try to come to the desktop and here you can just try to create a folder. The folder name is create a folder name is a Monday. You can give anything. Coding also you can give. That is okay. Empty folder created. What folder created? Empty folder. Now in this location, you can just try to come this location. You can just try to open a command prompt actually. Now here you can just try to run one command. Command name is a Jupyter Notebook. What is the command name, sir? Chapalandaru. One more time. Jupyter space notebook we have to enter. The moment whenever you are typing this command, press hit enter button, then automatically, as I told you, Jupyter is a web-based application. What application? It opens the browser automatically. Automatically it opens actually. Let me just try to hit the enter button. Please be patient. You should not close this. Then మీరు close చేయకూడదు. Take some time. It's called as a server. Yeah, did you notice? I'm not using my mouse. I'm almost far away from my system actually. Browser open automatically. Browser open automatically. Please be patient. See, you will get one kind of window. Don't close this one. Don't close this one. You will get one kind of window like this actually. Yes, you will get this kind of window. That window will be, tell me sir, what is the heading? Jupyter. Chapani? Jupyter. Okay. It is called as a web application. What application? Web application. Web application means an application which follows client and server architecture. An application which follows what exactly? Client. Here the command prompt is called as a server and the browser is called as a client. Browser is called as a, right. So here you can see file, view, settings, help, files running. Don't look at these are all things. Look at only one thing. What is that one? Go to the new. Chappan sir? New. Click on this. Now click on Python 3. Click on Python 3. Kind of some kernel you can see. Python 3 kernel. Click on this one. When you hit this one and here the Jupyter file, it will be open automatically. First time it takes some time. Click on this. Ayyo. Let me show you one more time. Let me show you one more time. Nothing happened, don't worry. Nothing happened. Sir, I am showing one more time. Go to the Monday folder. Here what we need to do? Jupyter. Chappan sir andaru. One more time. You have to remember this command. Otherwise we may forget actually. Don't click mouse here. Let us just have to blink it actually as it is how it is being getting blinking. Let us make it actually. Please be patient, see. All right. Now here you can just have to come to the new and click on, Python. Then automatically one new tab it will be open. One new tab it will be open. This is very good, sir. Here you can write a program and here you can run a program actually. This one is a Jupyter environment. What environment? Jupyter environment actually. Now this one is a untitled. What exactly? Let us just have to click on this title, untitled, and give a programs. Otherwise practice. Give what exactly mean? Practice. And make it this one is a rename. Okay, good. And you will get a file, edit, view, run. These are all things actually. Now here, what is the first hello world program? Chappan. Print hello world. Print what exactly, sir? Hello world actually. Hello world. Hello world. Good. Now you have written a program. I wanted to run this program. To run this program, here you can say, click on this one and here you will get output automatically. This is beautiful, sir. This is really beautiful actually. I'm repeating again. When it comes to Jupyter, write a program, run program immediately. But in a notepad, what we need to do? There is some steps you need to be follow. Write a program, save a program, specific folder, open a command prompt, run the program. Some hardware is there actually. But in Jupyter, what we need to do, open Jupyter. This is called as a cell. This is called as what exactly mean? Each cell works like, one notepad. You can write your program, whatever you want. You can run that cell actually. Immediately you will get an output. Immediately you will get what exactly mean? Output. We'll do one thing. And here, let us just try to create a one variable. Tell me one variable. A equals to 10. Let me just try to print off A. Let me just try to print what exactly mean? A. Now come here and you can click on this one. Okay. Printing. What is the value? 10. Sir, Chapani. I will explain 3 times. Don't worry. Jupyter, I will explain 3 times. You will get an idea. Next example, we'll do one thing. Then we'll create a list. Apply for loop. Apply what exactly? For loop. Are you ready? Come on, let us create a loop. Values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, Chappan sir, how to apply for loop? For value in values. Now, column symbol. What symbol? Go to the next line. Jupyter is intelligent. It will provide indentation automatically. But notepad, we have to provide indentation. I am pressing enter button. See, indentation provided automatically. Sir. Then you should not ask what is a indentation actually. Very good. Good guys. Print of what exactly, value. Chodani. Now let us just say to click on this one. Otherwise, the shortcut will be, you can use shift plus enter also. Choose not a shortcut on the actually. You can just have to please press, click on this one actually. This is the way we can execute in a Jupyter. This is the way we can execute in what exactly? Jupyter. I will explain one more time. Can I get a response from you? Good. Generally, I will explain all examples in a notepad. Later, I can introduce actually. From the previous batch, there was one student. He already know data science. He learned here and there, and he joined with us just for revision purpose. What purpose, man? Revision purpose. When I was explaining in a notepad always, he told only one thing. Do you know Jupyter or not actually? What question he asked, sir? Do you know Jupyter? I know, sir. I know actually. Even if today, if anyone having any question actually, I know Jupyter very well. I can work actually. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir. But let me tell you, If you work in notepad, these are all bread and butter actually. ఇదంతా మీకు చాలా ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. యూ ఆల్రెడీ డైజెస్టెడ్ ద హార్డ్ థింగ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ ఫుడ్. యూ కెన్ ఈజీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఐ నీడ్ వన్ రెస్పాన్స్. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. యా, ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ? Yeah, it's like a Google collab. Back to the session. Key point. There is a one key point actually. What is a key point, you know? How to open Jupyter? Chapandaya. Open a computer. Next one is a Jupyter notebook. Trust me, 99 members out of 100, the command will work actually. 100 out of 99 members, the command will work actually. There is a one person. There is, imagine, one student, one person. Command may not work actually. Command what exactly, sir? May not work. Let us provide alternative command. Let me provide what exactly? Alternative command. So I hope whenever you are running this command, you may get a error. Error name is a Jupyter is not recognized. Internal or external command you will get. I am repeating again. I am pretty sure this command will work for every system. Maybe with my experience, I have seen very rare there is a one student for that this command is not working because of some environment setup actually. Maybe he is using Windows 11. Maybe he is using old Windows actually. Windows is not updated. That is okay. Then we have to use one alternative command. That command name will be, even I forget, sir. Hold on. Go to Stack Overflow. I will help you. Jupyter notebook alternative command. I like Stack Overflow. Yeah. What is that command name into Delsa? No, not this. Not this. Yeah, this one is alternative command. చదవండి సార్ అందరూ. Python -m notebook. One more time. Python -m notebook. Notebook actually. This command may work actually. This one is an alternative command. What command, sir? Alternative command. We are good to go. Sir, this one we have to use if this command is not working. Don't use both commands. Don't use what exactly? Both commands. Both commands. We are good to go. What exactly I'm doing is I'm planning to do the revise the whole Jupyter session. Whole what exactly mean? Jupyter session. Are you ready? Are you ready or not, sir? Now here what I'm doing, you know, what I will plan. I will open Jupyter. I will open what exactly mean? Jupyter. Now I will load CSV file. I will load what file mean? CSV file. Then we will get some clarity. Then after we can start with the project discussion. Starts with what exactly? Project discussion. Are you ready? One small suggestion. Today onwards, you guys need to work with Jupyter only. You guys need to work with what exactly? Jupyter only. Jupyter only. Can I get this? Madam, are you getting? Simple. Let me drink water. Delete this folder. Give a right click here. Folder name is a Monday. You can give any name. Empty folder. Daniel, I wanted to open Jupyter. I need your help actually. What I need to do? Open that folder. Okay. This is empty folder. Click on here. You need to open command prompt. Once you open command prompt, here you need to run a command. Command name is a Jupyter Notebook. Chappan sir, Jupyter Notebook. Then automatically you can get the browser is being getting opened actually. Browser it will be opened automatically. Good, the browser is keep on it is being getting opening. That's okay. Now I need your help actually. Don't worry about these are all options. Options actually I can talk later. Chappan sir, new. Remember this symbol. And automatically here there is a file created. The file name is a untitled. What is the file name? The Jupyter file extension is IPYNB. One more time. IPYNB. PY means Python, NB means notebook. Good. Daniel, I wanted to change this name actually. You can just have to give practice 1. You can just have to give what exactly? Now click on rename. Tim, where this file is available, you know? What is the file name? Practice 1. What is the file name? Minimize this. Open Monday folder. What folder, sir? Monday folder. And here you can see actually practice 1 Jupyter file. PYNB. IPYNB. This is the extension file, kind of some support actually. Don't worry about this one. Till now, I'm sure you are clear, I guess actually. Sir, can I get a response? We'll do one thing. Let me tell you, this practice 1, the whole file name is called as a kernel. Cheptarandaru? Kernel actually. The whole file, the whole bunch of cells is called as a kernel actually. Now here, first let us just try to write import pandas as PD. Import pandas as, you can execute line by line. Click on this. Star indicates to running in the backend. Successfully run actually. What is the next line, sir? How to load a CSV file? What is the next line? df equals to pd dot read underscore CSV. And here we need to provide name of the file. What is the name of the file? sales1.csv. Now click on this one, and whenever you are running here, star indicates to running. Sir, what error you are getting? Exactly. In Notepad also will get the same error actually. It is telling file is not available, Daniel actually. Then it's okay. You can minimize. What we need to do, you know, open Monday folder. Here file is not available. Then copy the file. Copy the file actually. This is one time practice we have to do. Go to the Daniel. You can just have to go to the material, data analysis, all files. Chapter sir, file ekkundi? Sales one. Copy this. Paste here. Now let us run one more time. Run this cell one more time. Run this cell one more time. Come on, look at my screen. Yeah, successfully run actually. Previously one time you run, second time you run, error you got getting, third time it is running successfully. Now print the data frame. Print of what exactly, you know, sir? DF actually. Let me tell you, whenever you are using Jupyter, whenever you are using, print is optional, sir. You don't need to use print actually. Just to print the name of the variable. What is the name of the variable here? DF. Now click on this one. You can get the output automatically actually. This is the way we can load and CSV file in a Jupyter. Meeku ardhamainda sir? Madam, can I get a response? I mean to say, whenever you are using Jupyter, only the print is optional. Only the print is what exactly, sir? Optional actually. Optional. Okay. Now I'm entering into the project discussion. We can do that. We can do, sir. Sravanta, can we paste the file like copy path and paste the link in the, you know, we can do, sir. We can do actually. Nityananda, sir. Second command working for me. Okay. For you, first command is not working actually. Yeah, that's what I told. Maybe for their, who are all other student, maybe that command, first command may not work actually. Go for the second command. Okay. We are good to go. This one, don't worry about these are all. What is these are all? You know, this is the server. It's supposed to be run in the backend. You should not close this one. The moment once you are closing this one, and this one will not work actually. This one will not work actually. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా? This one is a home, and here you can see all, you know, by a notebook actually. This one is a CSV file. Anyway, I'm planning to close these are all. These are all. One important point. What is a Jupyter kernel I have opened actually? Practice one. I have created one Jupyter kernel. That Jupyter first to file name is called as a group of cells is nothing but a kernel actually. Talk with me. KERNEL. One more time. KERNEL. Right. Where that is available? Monday folder. Open this. Here you can see there are two folders. This you can ignore. If any folder started with the dot name, if any folder started with the dot actually, that is a supporting folder, you can ignore actually. You don't need to focus. Sir, this one is the Jupyter file. This one is what file? Now one small point. Jupyter file you should not open by giving a double click actually. Jupyter file you should not open by giving a double click. We should not open like that actually. If you are opening like that, trust me, you cannot understand anything what is going on actually. మీకు ఏం అర్థం కదా యాక్చువల్గా. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? You cannot understand anything. Now conclusion of the story. Do you wanted to open this Jupyter file actually? Same location, open Jupyter. Again, I already closed actually. Open Jupyter. How to open Jupyter? Jupyter notebook. Then it hits the browser. It is hitting the browser. It is hitting the browser. Yeah, here we have a file, right? Click on this one, then this file it will be open. Conclusion of the story, Jupyter file you have to open with Jupyter. Cheppanu sir. Jupyter file you have to open with Jupyter. Jupyter or Jupyter actually? Jupyter sir. Previously one student told Jupyter actually. This one is a Jupyter. Yeah. You got a clarity, I guess. Right. The whole group of cells is nothing but a kernel. Group of cells is nothing but what is that? The great advantage is write a program, run immediately, see the output. Go to the next step. Write a program, run the program actually, see the output actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? You see, I wanted to check the top 5 rows actually. How to check actually? df.head method. Yeah, good. You can just have to call this one. First of all, you have to rerun all. You can just have to run this one and even run this one more time. Run this one more time. Now the data frame is ready. This works actually. Good. Head method actually. What method, sir? Head method. So let me tell you. Now we are using the last cell. We are using what exactly? Then once this cell is running, automatically it will create the new cell. Let me run df dot what exactly? No, tail actually. df dot what exactly? No, you thought like cells are over. No, sir. The moment when you run new cell, you will get automatical, like a magic actual. Can I get a response from you? Good. Hey Daniel, I need more cells. I need what exactly? More cells. Then here there is a plus symbol. You can click keep on actually, more cells you will get, sir. Keep on actually, more cells you will get. Otherwise, hover your mouse here. Here, click to add new cell. Click to add new cell. Click to add new cell actually. Keep on the cells are being getting adding. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Boss, talk with me. Good. Successfully what I explained, you know, Jupyter I have explained. Yeah, చెప్పండి sir. Yeah. Good question. Imagine morning 9 you started practice. Almost 1 hour serious practice you done actually. Then you went for breakfast 10:30. You went for breakfast what exactly? 10:30. Then you are returned to 12:30. Why? Because you know our friends are there, some sodi, I mean some kind of some chit chat we need to do actual. Almost how long time, sir? 2.5 hours. In between what happened, you know, session out it is going to happen. What happened? Session out. Then what we need to do is we need to restart the kernel. We need to do how to restart the kernel, you know, go to the kernel, restart, run all cells actually. Restart kernel and run all cells. Then click on restart. Then it will restart actually. Make a note on this one. Just for fun. Please don't be personal. When I played any joke actually, intentionally I never play with anyone actually. Alright, I hope you got a clear picture. Can I get a response from you? I wanted to see total number of rows and columns actually. How to see? That's good. Very good. I wanted to see the total data frame information. Wow, you will get. Seems to be one kernel. You can do all pandas example. All what exactly mean? Pandas example. Good. Let me talk with online team. Online team, can I get a response from you? మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Sahu sir. I mean Piyush sir actually. That's the advantage. If you want, you can use one cell. Otherwise, you can use multiple cells also. Why? Because they are giving opportunity. They will not charge actually. Jupyter will not charge anything. So now we are entering into project discussion. Let's close these are all. Today itself you have to install Jupyter. Today itself you have to install what exactly mean? Jupyter. Let's start the project. Can I continue? I will continue. Go to the folder. We have a separate actually. Get ready. Daniel. This Python we already done. Data analysis we already done. We are entering into this folder. EDA folder actually. Yeah, this one I need to upload today. Make a note on this one. Data analysis EDA project. Okay, open this PDF. Just a matter of 3 pages actually. It is a 3 pages, just explanation. After that, I can open the source code actually. Good. Talk with me, sir. What is the topic name? Data analysis EDA project. What is EDA? I will tell you actually. The full form of EDA is means explanatory data analysis. One more time. Explanatory data analysis. So let me tell you, client will give the data. You have to explain the data. I'm repeating again. Client will give the data. You have to load the data and you have to explain, boss, the top 5 rows, bottom 5 rows, number of rows and columns, information, missing value, sorting the data, adding a column, rename. We done these are all operations, right? That is nothing but a explanatory data analysis. Data analysis also having another name. Data analysis also having what name? Another name. That is called as a EDA. That is called as what exactly, sir? EDA. You know, explanatory data analysis. It is a process of performing initial, this word is interesting, sir. Can you read actually? Investigations on the data. One more time. Investigations on the data. Generally, that word, police they can use actually. Not only police people, detectives also they will use. Who will use, man? Detectives. Imagine some what exactly? Some unexpected event happen. There was some mystery happen. Imagine there was some robbery happen. There is a bank, you know, in that bank robbery happen. Then automatically, normal people they never enter into that what exactly that scenario. Automatically detectives they will enter and they will start investigation. What is there here? What is there here? Imagine there is a paper fall down. Why that paper fall down? How many members are available during the robbery? What is a needle? Why needle fall down on the ground actually? They will look at the cameras. This is nothing but an investigation. Same thing like that. Once client have given the data, by using the data, we need to do investigating. We need to do what exactly, sir? Investigation. I hope you understand. Can I get a response from you? Good. It is a process of performing initial investigations about the data. By doing this kind of analysis, it is helping us to discover patterns. Discover? I will tell you what do you mean by pattern. Either sales are increasing, either sales are decreasing. That is called as a pattern. That is called as a pattern actually. Standards also you can understand. It is clearly explain the summary of statistical information and also called as a graphical representation. Also called as what exactly mean? Graphical representation. The data what I am going to take, till now I have given the data which I have created actually. Sales1.csv, sales2.csv, all Excel file. Till now I have shared almost, sales 7 underscore dates actually created by Daniel. Created by. Now we are going to take a data This data I have collected from company actually. This data is from real-time data. What data, sir? Real-time data. The domain is a e-commerce domain. I will tell you. E-commerce domain. The data set consists of transactional data with, what do you mean by e-commerce? Any idea? E-commerce and into Delsa? Think like exactly Amazon company. So selling and buying the products. Talk with me. Selling and buying the products. Let me compare with Amazon, one of the e-commerce company. Flipkart, one of the e-commerce company. Alibaba, one of the e-commerce company actually. The one of the top company actually in terms of the e-commerce. E-commerce actually. Okay. The data set consists of transactional data with the customers different countries. Can I open the data set actually? You will get an idea. Data set open cheyamantara? Let me just try to open. The data set can contain on an average 5 lakhs rows, I guess. How many? Yeah, we are going to open. Let's open the EDA project. The data set name I have given as a data. And can somebody tell me what file actually? Yeah, most of the time from the client you will get a CSV data only. I'm just trying to giving a click actually. It takes some time. Why? Because lakhs of rows. It takes some time. If your system is very slow, click on the file, go for coffee and come back, sir. Yeah, just I'm getting, man. Can click on this one. Wow. Lot of data we are going to play actually. By looking at this one seriously, by using pandas, what are all topics I have covered actually? All topics we are going to apply here. This is the data. What is the first column name? Invoice number. Next one, stock code. Next one, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, country. There is a column name is a invoice date. What is the column name? Get ready. The total date and time chapter, it will be helpful for you, I guess, actually. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? Good. All right, description would you have. How many total rows would you have, You can just have to keep on scroll, keep on scroll, keep on scroll, keep on. Oh my God. Sir, total records 5,41,000 plus rows actually. 5,41,000 ఉన్నాయి actually. More than that also. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Now we are loading this file in pandas. Pandas knows only one thing. Hey, are you giving the CSV file actually? What pandas will give? Data frame. Then we can apply all data frame operations. That's the beauty actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా, sir? Good. Let's move on. This is the live data actually. I will tell you later how we can download these raw data. Get ready to understand. Good. These are all company, UK based company on online retail actually. Products for selling, mainly occasional gifts actually. Customers, most of the wholesale customer like a local and what exactly mean? First of all, this company belongs to UK based company. And transaction period, it is around 1 year data, sir. It is around what exactly? 1 year data. That 1 year data is in the year of 2010, 9th December to 2011, I mean 2000, I'm sorry, 1st December 2010 to 9th December 2011 actually. Almost 1 year data. Are you ready? This is quite interesting. Quite interesting. Here is the point. Hello Daniel, we done Python. By using Python, end of the Python, the summary will be I explain flow control, a string topic, data structure, functions, whoops. And I have covered pandas topics. End of the pandas, I can talk with you. What is a summary? Same thing like that. In a summary, I have explained like, series I have explained, data frame I have explained, data frame methods, data frame attributes, sorting the data frame, group by, date and time operation. These are all things I have explained actually. Same thing like that. Imagine once we are going to close this project, or else during this project, what are all things we are going to learn? These are all topics we are going to learn actually. The summary of the project. What is the summary? The first point will be highest number of orders from the specific country. Team, I'm going to take the data set. In that data set, there is a column name is a country. In that country column, lot of countries would you have? What exactly? Lot of countries. Different customers, they ordered from different products actually. There are some customers, they are from UK. There are some customers, they are from coming from especially some India, US, Canada. These are all different countries would you have. Of course, out of all these countries, I wanted to know which country done more transaction? That is one of the real time requirement actual. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా? Yeah, that is called as a highest number of orders from specific country. Talk with me. Highest number of orders from specific country. Sometimes order doesn't matter for me. I wanted to know who spent more money. Are you with me or not, sir? Are you with me? Right. So highest money spent on purchase specific country. First requirement will be, I wanted to know country name where they done more transaction. Requirement number 1. Requirement number 2. Okay, we got answer for the first question. Requirement number 2. Which country spent more money? One more time. Which country spent more money actually? All right. So 6:45. Maybe this I will explain one more time tomorrow. Top 5 countries. Top 5 countries place highest order, spent more money, highest sales actually. This I can talk tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Why? Because the project goes minimum 2 days discussion. Trust me, you will enjoy like anything actually. I'm sure you can enjoy. I'm sure on this, right? This I can. We'll continue tomorrow. By the time of tomorrow, kindly please install with Jupyter. These are all things. Yeah, here itself I am uploading the running notes. When will be the project discuss start? I am unable to attend the session for the past 1 week. Syed sir, I'm sorry to hear. Tomorrow it is going to start the project discussion actually. All right. Fine then. That project template I can help you tomorrow. Sir, we done Python and Pandas. Did you remember? Which one you like actually? Python or Pandas? Pandas actually. Even I like Pandas. Data set, running nodes, and we have a separate code discussion also. Thank you. We done for today's session, man. Thank you. We'll connect again tomorrow. Online team and offline team. Please take care. Okay, cool. We done for today's session. చెప్పండి. Exactly. If you wanted to capture the last 10 days records, 20 days records, 30 days records,